Chief Meteorologist Kate Bilo joins us now. Kate, we have rain on the way and maybe a wintry mix. Phil didn't comment on that.
Phil did not comment on that, but 6 more weeks of winter, and you know what? It may start as soon as tomorrow once this storm moves in. Although tomorrow is going to be warm, we're living on borrowed time as far as mild air is concerned. Here's a look at current temperatures. It is still mild outside right now. It's 40 degrees in Philadelphia, 41 in Wilmington, 41 in Lancaster, and it's 43 right now in Reading. That is very mild, especially compared with what we've dealt with for the past couple of weeks. Storm Scan 3 again shows this massive storm system heading our way. It's moving in from the west. You can see a lot of rain here over western Pennsylvania. We've got pockets of snow in the mountains. It's going to take a while to get here. The first batch of rain will likely lift to the north as we get into tomorrow morning. It's really tomorrow night around this time that the rain will really be starting to intensify. But some light rain likely in the morning. You can see some steadier rain with that darker green color here as we get into tomorrow afternoon, mainly in the north and west suburbs. The heaviest rain for the city again is late tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. And then watch what happens. Here's 6 o'clock Friday morning. Do you see the pink? That is some cold air at the surface wedging itself under the warmer air aloft. So the rain is still falling as rain, but it falls onto frozen ground, a shallow layer of cold air at the surface. Not long enough for those raindrops to turn into sleet pellets, but they will freeze on contact in that cold air, and then changing over to sleet once that layer of cold air gets a little thicker, and eventually snow in the Poconos. A very quick mix over and changeover for the rest of the region. So the Poconos, the only area that is under a winter storm watch, at least for now. That'll be late tomorrow night through the day Friday. Again, here's the process. When rain falls from the clouds and it's warm air all the way down, it's plain rain. That's how it will start. But when a wedge of cold air gets under the warm air, freezing rain is first. It'll freeze on contact, and then once that cold layer gets a little thicker, once cold air really starts to move in, that's when the rain falls, freezes as it falls, turning into sleet. Eventually that will happen, and in the Poconos it looks like it could eventually turn over to a period of snow as well. So it's going to get a little slippery outside. Black ice driving tips: keep your steering wheel straight, do not brake, and take your foot off the accelerator to slow down. This is a Friday concern. Tomorrow is all plain old rain from really the city to the shore to the Poconos. Future ice accumulations, though, you can see in the Poconos we could see as much as 0.3 of an inch of ice. Reading as well. Allentown, Bethlehem, spots in the Lehigh Valley could see 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch, and then lighter ice amounts around the city and suburbs. Ice accumulation impacts 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch could lead to slippery roads and minor power outages. But when you start talking 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch, that could lead to branches down and major power outages. And we're going to see that flash freeze, that big drop in the temperature between 6 a.m. and 11 a.m. to the north and west, between 11 and 4 in Philadelphia and nearby suburbs, and then later in the evening down the shore and in Delaware on Friday. So cold air starts to come in. The rain changes to freezing rain, sleet, and snow. It'll likely be a brief period of a wintry mix in the city, but again, the farther north and west you go, the more problems you'll have on the roads with the threat for that serious icing. Then it's cold but bright for the weekend, and it does look pretty quiet as we head into next week, which will be a nice little change from all these storms.
Very nice. Kate, thank you.